Have you ever wondered why erectile dysfunction can strike at any age, sometimes even when you least expect it? According to the Cleveland Clinic, about 40% of men experience some level of erection difficulties by age 40, and that number rises to nearly 70% by age 70. That's a staggering statistic, and the good news is there are proven ways to help reduce your risk. Today, we're revealing key strategies that top physicians recommend for preventing these erection problems and boosting your sexual health naturally. Before we jump in, if you're new here and want more insights on men's health, healthy aging, and sexual well-being, I invite you to subscribe and tap the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss an update. And if you find this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up to help spread our message of healthy aging tips and overall sexual wellness. Let's get started. Number 1, pay attention to your cardiovascular health. One of the biggest culprits behind erectile dysfunction is poor blood flow. Many men don't realize that erectile health depends heavily on a healthy cardiovascular system. When your arteries are clogged, narrowed, or under pressure, your ability to achieve a strong erection can suffer. High blood pressure, high cholesterol, and smoking and erection difficulties often go hand in hand. According to Dr. Mohit Khera from Baylor College of Medicine, even a slight blockage in the arteries feeding the penis can trigger erection problems. His research emphasizes the link between hypertension and erectile dysfunction, suggesting that managing your blood pressure isn't just about preventing heart attacks, it's also about protecting your sexual wellness. A great first step is adopting healthy lifestyle habits that promote good circulation. That means getting regular exercise. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity activity most days of the week and focusing on a balanced diet. Choose nutrient-packed foods like leafy greens, berries, and lean proteins to support blood circulation. Staying active and eating well aren't just good for your waistline. They're crucial for men's health over 50 and beyond. Number 2, maintain a healthy weight. Carrying extra weight puts more stress on your cardiovascular system and can disrupt hormone balance. Men who are obese are at a higher risk for diabetes and erection health issues, as well as low testosterone. Excess body fat triggers inflammation, which can reduce blood flow and affect sexual performance. Researchers have found that losing even a small percentage of body weight can improve men's sexual health. If you've been thinking about dropping a few pounds, consider making gradual changes, like reducing sugary beverages, cutting back on processed foods, and adding more protein and fiber to your meals. These simple adjustments not only help with healthy aging, but also reduce the likelihood of erection difficulties. For some, structured programs or professional guidance may be helpful. If you're experiencing severe erectile dysfunction, consult a urologist or speak with a healthcare provider such as Dr. Turek, an internationally renowned expert in men's health and reproductive urology. They can guide you through individualized strategies to control weight and improve your sexual vitality. Number 3, prioritize mental health and stress management. It might surprise you, but stress and erection problems are closely linked. Stress activates your body's fight or flight response, elevating cortisol levels, which can reduce the quality of your erections. Anxiety, depression, and chronic stress also impact your brain's ability to send the right signals for arousal. The result? Erection difficulties at any age. Simple stress reduction techniques can go a long way in preserving your sexual health. Consider mindfulness practices like deep breathing, journaling, or meditation for erection difficulties. Therapies like autogenic training for erection difficulties and hypnosis for erection difficulties have also gained attention for their potential to promote relaxation and improve intimate function. You don't have to tackle stress alone. Talk to a mental health professional or a supportive friend. Even discussing your challenges with a partner can alleviate emotional burdens. Healthy communication sets the stage for stronger emotional connections and better intimacy. Number 4, exercise for better erection quality. Physical activity does more than just build muscle. It significantly boosts circulation and helps maintain healthy hormone levels. Engaging in regular exercise is one of the best erectile dysfunction solutions out there. A study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that men who performed moderate to intense aerobic exercise 4 times a week saw marked improvements in erectile function. Try adding exercise for erections into your routine. Brisk walks, swimming, or even light jogging. Stronger legs and improved cardiovascular health not only help you avoid sarcopenia explained, which is the gradual loss of muscle mass as you age, but also support sexual wellness in later life. Exercises like squats and lunges can boost leg strength, while core exercises help stabilize the body during intimate moments. If you're new to fitness, start slowly. Even short bursts of activity throughout the day can be beneficial. Over time, you'll find that consistent exercise not only enhances mobility and independence, but also helps fixing erection difficulties by improving blood flow and stamina. Number 5, explore advanced treatments and professional guidance. Sometimes, lifestyle changes alone aren't enough to fully tackle erectile dysfunction. If you've tried the basics, like dietary adjustments and exercise, without success, it may be time to consult a specialist. Experts in urology advice, like Dr. Mohit Khera, often discuss newer treatments such as shockwave therapy for erection difficulties, which has shown promise in helping men who haven't responded to standard approaches. Testosterone levels can also play a role in low libido solutions and erection problems. If you suspect low levels, a thorough evaluation can determine whether hormone therapy is right for you. Always consult with a professional to understand the risks and benefits of any treatment option. This is where board-certified specialists, including Dr. Khera or Dr. Paul Turek, can offer targeted therapies tailored to your unique medical profile. Don't underestimate the power of personal research either. Reading up on psychological solution for erection difficulties and understanding relationship advice for better emotional connection in relationships can point you in the right direction. Remember that each individual is different. What works well for one person may not be the best for another, so an individualized approach is crucial. Lifestyle tips for ongoing sexual health. As you put these strategies into action, remember that healthy habits form the cornerstone of long-term sexual performance. A balanced approach to life, encompassing sleep, stress management, and balanced nutrition, creates a powerful buffer against erection difficulties. Simple changes like cutting back on alcohol, quitting smoking, and staying hydrated can also yield significant benefits for both your heart health and your sexual health after 50. Keep in mind that age-related changes are normal and don't have to derail your sexual wellness in later life. Instead, focus on positive aging and self-acceptance in old age. It's entirely possible to maintain a vibrant sex life well into your senior years. By combining a healthy mindset with practical interventions, you can stay active, engaged, and confident. As we wrap up today's discussion, remember that erectile dysfunction is not a life sentence. Incorporating cardio-focused workouts, managing your stress levels, and seeking professional help when needed can make a big difference in overcoming or preventing erection problems. Your health is in your hands. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Your support means the world to us. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps share our message with a wider audience. I'm excited to hear your thoughts on today's topic. If you enjoyed the content, type yes in the comments below. If it didn't resonate with you, let me know by typing no. Your feedback is incredibly valuable and helps me craft videos that better suit your interests. Stay proactive about your sexual health, and remember, the right knowledge can set you on a path to lasting sexual vitality. Thanks for watching, and take care.